Welcome. In this tutorial we'll look at the two lifecycle hooks Instabase gives us around a flow run, the pre-flow UDF and the post-flow UDF. These let us run our own Python before processing starts, and after it finishes. Here in the flow editor, the events panel on the right exposes both hooks. The pre-flow UDF fires once when the flow starts, and the post-flow UDF fires once after the flow stops. Let's wire up the pre-flow hook first. We open the pre-flow event and point its scripts directory at our module flow_hooks. This is the UDF package where our hook functions live. Let's jump into scripts.py. Here is our pre_flow function. One thing was missing, the registration. We add the register function decorator on top, with provenance set to false. Registering it is what lets the flow canvas discover and call it. Now look at the signature. Preflow takes explicit arguments, clients, root output folder, and job ID, along with keyword arguments. Since preflow has no file inputs, it's ideal for setup work. Here we simply stamp out a flow info.json with the job ID and a start timestamp. Back on the canvas, we write the formula. We call pre_flow and pass the system keys as arguments, clients, root output folder, and job ID. Those keys map straight onto the function's parameters. Next, the post-flow hook, which runs after execution completes. We add it and select the same flow_hooks module. Inside post_flow_UDF, there are two ways to get at those keys. 1. Pass them in explicitly as arguments just like preflow did. Or 2. Pull them from the function context. We grab the fn context key from keyword arguments, then call get by column name for clients and for root output folder. We then read the batch flow results and check the can_resume flag. If it's true, the flow was stopped at a checkpoint, so we return early and skip writing, which avoids duplicating our summary.json. Otherwise, we walk the IBOCR records, collecting class labels, page ranges, and extracted fields, and write out summary.json. Finally, back on the canvas, the post-flow formula is just post_flow_UDF with no arguments because it reads everything from context. We save, and our end-to-end lifecycle automation is complete. You can now use pre-flow and post-flow UDFs to customize inputs before processing and transform outputs after the flow completes.